Good morning, girls. Hope everyone is well and safe at home. Girls, we were discussing the topic Lahore Resolution. We are taking it very slowly and gradually. We have split the topic in small lessons. In first two lessons, we had discussed about the background of Pakistan resolution. Then we talked about the resolution, who presented it, who presided it, what did Qaid Azam say while addressing the people in the 27th annual session of All India Muslim League? Then we talked about the text of Pakistan resolution. Now today we would look into the reaction of political parties, reaction of Congress, reaction of British. How did they react after passing the Lahore resolution? Now open your books. On page 55, in the resolution the word states was used, but in 1946 it was amended and the demand of the separate state Pakistan was launched. This Lahore resolution was later known as Resolution of Pakistan. The Lahore resolution was changed to Resolution of Pakistan because at that very time the Hindus and the British, they ridiculed it. They made fun out of it and they named it as Pakistan of Jinnah. So automatically that name, the Lahore resolution, was changed to Resolution of Pakistan or Pakistan resolution. After this resolution, Muslims' political movement entered into a new phase. Public meetings, they were organized throughout the country in which a separate homeland for Muslims was demanded. After Pakistan resolution, the movement, Pakistan movement, it became fast, and more and more public meetings, they were organized throughout the country. And what was the demand over there? A separate homeland for the Muslims. Now Congress reacted severely because they were not in the favor of having the partition, and Hindus were against the separate state for the Muslims. Clear? And same is the case with the Sikh parties. Sikh parties, Akali Dal and Congress, strongly opposed the idea of Pakistan. They were not in favor to have the partition. They wanted to have the complete control over the Muslims and to stay as to supervise them, as to have the complete control over them, which shows that Congress was puzzled at the Pakistan resolution. Now we would look into the endorsement. The resolution was endorsed by Maulana Zafar Ali Khan from Punjab, Sardar Aurangzeb from NWFP, Sir Abdullah Haroon from Sindh, Qazi Isa from Balochistan, along with many others. Clear? So it was endorsed, it was publicly stated that we can at the state of approval that it was implemented. Having passed the Pakistan resolution, the struggle for Pakistan started, which continued for 7 years, and British and Hindus created many obstacles. Obstacles means very hurdles, but the Muslims, they were determined. They became firm that we have to find the solution. We have to find the Pakistan resolution approved. They had clarity that they were struggling for the right cause, so all the tricks of enemies, they were turned down, they were failed, and Muslims, they had the clarity that we will fight for the right of cause and we will get it. Clear? Now what you have to do, you will do 2 short questions from the topic. First of all, note down this question. What was the reaction of Congress against Lahore resolution? What was it? What was the reaction of Congress against Lahore resolution? So you will start from here. Congress reacted severely and Hindus were against the separate homeland for the Muslims. Sikh parties, Akali Dal and Congress, strongly opposed the idea of Pakistan, which shows that Congress was puzzled at the Pakistan resolution. Clear? Now you will take one more sentence from here. British and Hindus created many obstacles, but Muslims, they were determined. Clear? Now come to the next question. Who endorsed Lahore resolution? Who endorsed Lahore resolution? Your answer will be in these 3 lines. The resolution was endorsed by Maulana Zafar Ali Khan from Punjab, Sardar Aurangzeb from NWFP, Sir Abdullah Haroon from Sindh, and Qazi Isa from Balochistan, along with many others. Clear? So this is what all about. Thank you, girls. Take care. Allah Hafiz.